How to change the password of your Binance account. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to change password of your Binance account. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Binance app on your device. Once it opens, make sure that you enter all your login credentials and log into your account. Then tap Profile icon at top left corner of the screen. On this section, select the gear icon at top right corner of the screen. When you scroll down and locate the option for changing password, there is no such any option available right now. So there is a trick to change the password of your Binance account. Simply come out with the help of the arrow at top, and on this section, you have to select your username at top of the screen. Tap logout icon at bottom right corner of the screen and log out your account successfully. Click the login button at top left corner of the screen. After that, enter your email or phone number and then click the next button. So 6-digit verification code will appear on your email. Simply you have to submit that, and then here you can easily reset the password if you haven't reset the password. But if you already have got the password, when you enter the email, and on the next page there will be the password section. Simply you have to tap forget password and verify your email. Then again you will come across the same section where you can easily enter your new password, and then click the confirm password button and then tap the confirm button. After that, your password will be changed on your Binance. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.